Hi everyone, it's Trish from Imagineer Photography here in Sydney, walking into a chair. Anyway, what I'm doing today in this video edit is simply fixing up the background. So as you can see, the background was too narrow. It's just a fabric roll that I bought. It's pink. It actually turns out pretty good. So I'm going to fix this up and make it nice and clean. As a side note, if you do have this kind of a backdrop that's a little bit small, my recommendation is take a photo with the lighting that you're going to use and the crop that you're going to use, and just photograph the background. That way you can actually extend it and drag it out, whereas with this one I can't because there's not enough to drag out. So in the future, just take a photo of the backdrop of its own before you put your subject or your model onto the set. That's it. All right, so to begin with, what I'm going to do is content to wear, because again, I don't have enough to drag across. So I'm just going to take a lasso tool, hit L for lasso, select the area that I want to replace, and then I hit delete and enter on my keyboard. And then content aware does its stuff. So this side's pretty good. The other side always turns out crap, so we're still going to have to do it. So select with lasso, delete, got content aware, mode 100%, normal, oh yes, that, let's go. You saw it, do the same settings. Actually, that's not too bad. Usually it shows a little bit of skirt here, but nope, that's fine. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is clean up these little creases. So J for patch tool, and then it's just a simple matter of select, drag and drop onto a clean area, and voila. Looks really nice. Then we go over to this side and do the same thing. Select, drag and drop, select, drag and drop, select, drag and drop, select, drag and drop, and so forth. I think that's enough of me saying that. Okay. And same thing on the bottom. Clean up an area that's nice and smooth. Sorry, you're seeing the top of my head, aren't you? I'm just looking into the detail of my screen. All right, so yeah, so clean up an area that's nice and smooth, and then you do the same thing. Select, drag and drop into the clean area. There we go. It's that easy. Yep, that's fine. Bit of this side. All right. Okay, then I'm going to add in my brightness and contrast adjustment layer. Drop the brightness to see if there's any sort of areas that I haven't cleaned up properly. Nope, that looks good. Increase the contrast. Yep, that looks good. It looks pretty clean. So that's it. We went from this to this, simply using a cheap pink fabric as a backdrop. Perfect. All right, till next time.